Today we are making a complete natural and nutritious sweetener, homemade date syrup. Not only is this syrup incredibly easy to make, but it is also packed with amazing health benefits and rich natural sweetness. Whether you want a healthier alternative to refined sugar or simply love trying homemade recipes, this is something you will definitely enjoy. So join me as I walk you through the simplest step-by-step method for making your own delicious date syrup at home. Let's get started. We begin by washing the dates thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Once they are properly cleaned, transfer them into another bowl. After washing, add enough water to cover the dates and leave them to soak for about 6 hours. Now, this soaking process is very important because it softens the dates and makes removing the seed much easier. Unlike other methods where you have to cut each date open one by one with a kitchen knife when they are still hard, this method saves time and effort. After 6 hours, bring the dates back, and as you can see, they are now soft and tender. At this point, removing the seed becomes super easy. All I need to do is pick up a date, press it gently with my finger like this, and the seed separates effortlessly from the flesh. Then I transfer the seedless date into another bowl and repeat the same process for the rest. And just like that, all the seeds are removed. Now take a look at this soaking water. We are definitely not throwing it away because it contains a lot of nutrients and tastes naturally sweet. That is exactly why it is important to wash the dates thoroughly before soaking them. Next, it is time to extract the syrup. To do that, we will blend the soaked dates. Add some of the seedless dates into a blender along with part of the soaking water. Then blend until smooth and creamy. Once blended, it is time to extract the juice. Pour the blended dates into a chiffon cloth placed over a bowl. Gather the cloth together tightly and begin squeezing to extract all the juice. Squeeze vigorously so you can get every bit of liquid out from the pulp. After extracting the juice, set the leftover pulp aside. Don't throw it away because it can still be used in smoothies, baking, or even added to cereals. Now, pour the extracted date juice into a cooking pot and repeat the same blending and straining process for the remaining dates. And here we have it, fresh homemade date juice ready to be transformed into syrup. Place the pot on heat and begin cooking. As the juice cooks, you will notice some foam forming on the surface. Gently skim off the foam without removing too much of the liquid itself. Then continue cooking while stirring occasionally. As more water evaporates, the juice will gradually become darker, thicker, and richer in color. Keep cooking until it begins to caramelize slightly and reaches a smooth syrupy consistency. Once you achieve this beautiful thick consistency, turn off the heat and allow it to cool completely. And just like that, you have successfully made your own homemade date syrup. Transfer the syrup into a clean storage container or jar, and it is ready to use. You can enjoy it as a natural sweetener for baking, tea, cereal, pancake, smoothies, dessert, and so many other delicious recipes. This syrup is packed with nutrients, mineral, and natural energy, making it a wonderful alternative to refined sugar. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and share it. And also let me know in the comments how you enjoyed taking your date syrup. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. God bless.